Wow, Mark Mickey, 211 miles per hour in the turbo car over there in the left lane. That's what those turbo cars will do. They'll back half the track for you. Top speed of this race by 6 miles per hour for Mark Mickey.
Yeah, they said that they got to push him back, that they already did the burnout, and then
before Scott Palmer could get across the line. Boy, we're watching the replay up here in the booth, and man, Brandon Pez he got way over by the left side. Well, Al, we've seen cars in both lanes hunt towards the center line. That's the first time we've seen somebody start to get out of the groove, and we know how windy it was here today, how dusty it is. Doesn't matter how much track prep you do. Vic and his crew did a great job out here. Doesn't matter how much track prep you do. We're not laying the same amount of glue down 3 inches from the wall that we are in the middle of the groove, and Brandon Pez got a little piece of that, and that thing hung a wicked right.
Wondering if it's a real Mach 1. That's get away from that. What happened there, dude? Because that happened on the other side. If you notice the flash, the other side when they revved it up, it happened earlier. I was like, did I just see a ball of fire?
I think the injector got hung up, and when somebody tried to free it up, they pulled it back, and it was loaded with fuel, and it came right out the exhaust. Boy, that could have been ugly.
Well, with that, here we go. You know there's money on the line here. It's rivalry night. Hang on. Lyle Barnett and J.R. Gray. Red light start. Wow, a red light start, man, and 3.665 at 202 miles per hour. Lyle Barnett has himself a hot rod, my friend.
Boy, and he was 008 on the tree. Lyle Barnett was 008 366. Come and get some of that, J.R. Gray. Kevin McCurdy going to get that Camaro rolled forward here. And like you said, Al, he's got a free shot at it.
Hamburg, Pennsylvania. I remember when, look at a wheel stand, and he stayed with it, man. That thing hiked the wheels for 150 feet. 384.5, 196. What a driving job, though. I would have been way out of that thing.
Man. With some of these shots here. I mean, we're definitely getting in that ballpark. Right?
they get ready to go. King now looks at the light. He looks over, says, I'm going for it. He went for it a little too quick. He won't get a number. Left for the tree was activated. Look at that number. 362.6. He found himself a tick and a talk on his Timex at 205 miles per hour. What a run.
Everybody going with Daddy Shark here.
Really? For Halsey. All Halsey. Man, the guys that betted on Halsey, they're going to keep their bets going, and Halsey looks like he could be the guy, but don't count out.
Whoa, man.
Big flash of flame, hood scoop in the air, and Halsey gets down. Look at that number, man. You tell me Jay Cox wasn't tuning it up.
Wow.
He was going to the barbecue at 3.680, 194 miles per hour.
Get ready, Jason. Watch the elite car. Will be stellar in the left lane for Lee. Tom, what a good lead off the line, man. Freeman gets him a bit on the tree and gets down there first. 406. 177 miles per hour for that 20 RJ Rick Jones Camaro. He'll go to the top right there at 465. But Tommy Lee's right there, man.
Yeah, Tommy Lee makes a great run. He goes in a 4.100. Tommy Lee gapped the field by 300ths and has nothing to show for it right now.
You're about to see the Black Mamba molt here for a minute. Okay, I think there's 2 rocks. They're going to go in there and peel the skin off. Here we go.
Whoa! Oh, Tommy, hang on.
Tommy, hang on, Tommy. You got him covered, baby. Down there all the way down to 83. Haney got the whole shot. Then Haney got the whole shot of his life. I'm still guaranteed seeing the sun in his eyes.
Man, that thing went kaboom. Mark Mickey's not in the show right now.
Well, he will be in a second. Give him some time, my friend. There it goes. Look at that twin. There's 4 turbos eating that track up right there.
Whoa!
Wow! 364.9 at 213. I told you he'd get it done. Jefferson City, make some noise, baby!
Wow!
What a deal. Well done. 364.9 at 213.91 miles per hour.